10 Business Lessons Every Nigerian Entrepreneur Should Know. Nigeria is one of the most entrepreneurial countries in the world. Every day, thousands of people start businesses ranging from agriculture and fashion to technology, logistics, manufacturing, education, and online services. Yet, despite this entrepreneurial spirit, many businesses fail within their first 5 years, not because the owners lack intelligence or passion, but because they lack the knowledge, systems, and discipline needed to build sustainable enterprises. Entrepreneurship is more than buying and selling. It is about solving problems, creating value, managing resources wisely, and adapting to change. Nigerian entrepreneurs face unique challenges such as inflation, unstable exchange rates, poor infrastructure, multiple taxation, inconsistent government policies, insecurity, and limited access to finance. Despite these obstacles, many businesses continue to thrive because their owners understand timeless business principles. Whether you are running a small shop, a farm, a manufacturing company, a digital business, or a growing enterprise like Articulate Special One Limited, these lessons can help you build a stronger and more resilient business. Lesson 1. Solve problems, don't just sell products. The foundation of every successful business is solving a real problem. Customers don't wake up wanting products, they want solutions. People buy food because they are hungry. They buy insurance because they want protection. They buy education because they want better opportunities. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Why should customers choose my business instead of competitors? Does my product improve people's lives? Businesses that focus on solving genuine problems create loyal customers and sustainable profits. For example, a farmer is not merely selling cassava, they are contributing to food security. A logistics company is not merely transporting goods, it is helping businesses reach customers faster. When your mindset changes from selling to serving, growth becomes easier. Lesson 2. Cash flow is more important than profit. Many entrepreneurs celebrate profit while ignoring cash flow. A business may appear profitable on paper but still collapse because it has no cash available to pay suppliers, workers, transport, rent, or electricity. Imagine making 10 million Nigerian Nairas in sales while customers owe you 9 million Nigerian Nairas. Technically you made sales. Practically you have little cash. Always monitor money coming in, money going out, outstanding debts, inventory value, emergency savings. Cash flow keeps businesses alive. Profit builds wealth. You need both. Lesson 3. Separate business money from personal money. One of the biggest mistakes Nigerian entrepreneurs make is treating business money like personal income. Business funds should never become your personal wallet. Create separate bank accounts, financial records, expense tracking, budgets. Pay yourself a salary instead of withdrawing money randomly. This discipline allows you to know whether the business is truly growing, actual operating costs, monthly profits, future investment capacity. Without proper financial separation, business growth becomes difficult. Lesson 4. Build systems, not dependence on yourself. Many businesses collapse once the owner becomes unavailable. Why? Because the owner does everything. Answers every call. Handles every payment. Makes every decision. Signs every document. A successful entrepreneur builds systems. Create standard operating procedures, staff training manuals, accounting systems, customer service guidelines, inventory processes. Your goal should be to make your business operate efficiently even when you take a vacation. Businesses built on systems survive longer than businesses built on personalities. Lesson 5. Customers are your greatest asset. Marketing attracts customers. Excellent service keeps them. Acquiring a new customer often costs more than retaining an existing one. Treat customers with respect. Listen carefully. Respond quickly. Keep promises. Handle complaints professionally. Every satisfied customer becomes free advertising. Every disappointed customer can discourage many potential buyers. Build relationships, not just transactions. Loyal customers create recurring revenue. Lesson 6. Keep learning and adapting. Markets change. Technology changes. Consumer behavior changes. Entrepreneurs who stop learning become outdated. Invest regularly in books, online courses, business seminars, mentorship, networking events, industry research. The internet has made learning easier than ever before. Knowledge is one of the highest return investments any entrepreneur can make. The more you learn, the better your decisions become. Lesson 7. Marketing is not optional. Many entrepreneurs believe having a good product automatically guarantees success. It doesn't. People cannot buy what they don't know exists. Marketing creates awareness. Sales convert awareness into revenue. Use multiple marketing channels. Social media. Word-of-mouth referrals. Email marketing. WhatsApp business. YouTube. Podcasts. Community engagement. Strategic partnerships. Tell stories. Educate customers. Show testimonials. Share behind-the-scenes content. Build trust consistently. Marketing should happen every day, not only when sales are low. Lesson 8. Build multiple streams of income. One income source exposes your business to unnecessary risk. Diversification strengthens financial stability. For example, an agricultural entrepreneur may earn from farm produce, processing, training, consultancy, export, equipment rental. A content creator may earn from advertising revenue, sponsorship, merchandise, online courses, memberships, speaking engagements. Multiple income streams increase resilience during economic uncertainty. However, diversify carefully. Master one business before expanding. Lesson 9. Integrity is a competitive advantage. Many people underestimate honesty in business. Integrity builds reputation. Reputation builds trust. Trust attracts opportunities. Always deliver quality. Honor agreements. Pay suppliers promptly. Be transparent with customers. Admit mistakes. Correct errors quickly. Your reputation becomes your most valuable marketing tool. People do business with those they trust. In today's digital world, one dishonest action can damage years of hard work. Protect your name. It is worth more than short-term profit. Lesson 10. Think long-term. Many entrepreneurs focus only on today's income. Successful entrepreneurs think about the next 10 years. Ask yourself, where will my business be in 5 years? Can my business survive without me? What legacy am I building? How will technology affect my industry? Am I preparing future leaders? Long-term thinking changes daily decisions. Instead of chasing quick money, you build sustainable value. Instead of reacting to problems, you prepare for future opportunities. Great companies are built patiently. Success rarely happens overnight. Additional principles every Nigerian entrepreneur should remember. Embrace technology. Digital tools improve efficiency. Use accounting software, inventory systems, customer relationship management platforms, online payment systems, artificial intelligence, and digital marketing tools. Technology reduces cost while increasing productivity. Build strong networks. Relationships open doors. Attend conferences. Join business associations. Meet investors. Collaborate with other entrepreneurs. Your network often determines your opportunities. Manage risk wisely. Every business faces risks. Prepare by buying insurance where appropriate. Maintaining emergency savings. Diversifying suppliers. Keeping legal documents updated. Maintaining accurate records. Prepared businesses recover faster from unexpected challenges. Develop leadership skills. Employees rarely outperform their leaders. Improve your communication, decision-making, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, strategic thinking. Leadership determines organizational culture. Strong leaders create strong businesses. Be patient. Every successful entrepreneur experiences setbacks. Failure is not the end. Mistakes become valuable lessons when properly analyzed. Persistence often separates successful entrepreneurs from unsuccessful ones. Continue improving. Continue learning. Continue building. Conclusion. Nigeria presents enormous opportunities despite its challenges. Entrepreneurs who combine resilience with sound business principles can build businesses that create jobs, improve communities, and generate lasting wealth. Remember these 10 lessons. Solve problems, not just sell products. Protect your cash flow. Separate business and personal finances. Build systems instead of depending only on yourself. Value your customers. Keep learning. Invest consistently in marketing. Develop multiple income streams wisely. Protect your integrity. Think long-term. Entrepreneurship is a journey of continuous improvement. There will be difficult seasons, economic uncertainty, and unexpected obstacles, but every challenge also presents an opportunity to innovate. The businesses that endure are those that remain customer-focused, financially disciplined, adaptable, and committed to excellence. If you are determined to learn, improve your leadership, and stay consistent, your business can grow from a small local venture into a respected enterprise with regional or even global impact. Success is rarely the result of luck, it is usually the outcome of preparation, perseverance, wise decision-making, and the courage to keep moving forward when others give up. Build with vision. Lead with integrity. Serve your customers well. Invest in knowledge. Stay resilient, and let every challenge become another stepping stone toward long-term success.